Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to continue talking about money. But first, I want you to please look at these objects. What do they have in common? And what are their disadvantages? Please think about this before class. Now, look at these pictures. How do you think this affects the environment? If you see, we have some old refrigerators, old cell phones, microwaves, and old computers. How do you think this affects us? Please write down some ideas. Okay, great. Now, I need you to go to page 56 in your student book, exercise 4. You're going to complete the glossary using the words that I have over here. Meat, hazardous, mindful. Please pause the video while you match them. Okay, let's go ahead and check. So, we have emit is letter G, which is to send something out in the air, especially gas, light, or heat. Hazardous is letter A, which is dangerous, especially to people's health or safety. Mindful, letter C, careful about or conscious of something. Opt is letter F, to make a choice or decision. Repercussions, letter B, a bad effect something has. Steward, letter G, someone who looks after something and protects it. Sustainability, letter E, the ability to continue without harming the environment. Great job. Now I want you to please read the article and answer these questions in your notebook before class. Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, great. We're going to discuss all of these questions during class. Let's continue. Now, think about this. Have you ever bought secondhand furniture? Furniture that someone else had, like maybe in a yard sale or even in Megapaca, they have some furniture there? Please think about this before class. Now, I want you to go to student book page 57. Let's read this chat. Answer. What is Harry trying to collect? Pause the video, please. Okay, great. So, if you notice, Harry is trying to collect some furniture for his apartment. Now, let's continue. I want you to please read these sentences and choose the correct article to complete them. For example, I have a, de, or some furniture I need to get rid of. Should I use a, de, or some? In this case, I will use some, right? Some furniture. Now pause the video to work on the rest, please. Great. Let's go ahead and check. A sofa bed and some bookshelves, as I'm giving my bedroom a makeover. If the furniture is still available, I'd be grateful for it. Could you give me information about the sofa bed? Also, I am in need of a wardrobe if you have one. The sofa bed is king size. Sorry, I don't have a wardrobe, but I do have a dresser if that's any use. You're welcome to come and collect the stuff if you have a van. Yes, I'm still interested in everything, including the dresser. I'll contact you again as soon as I've got hold of a van to pick up the things up. Great job, guys! Now, I want you to please read again and this time find the words that are used with singular nouns or words that are used with plural or uncountable nouns. Which words are referring to something in general and which word is referring to something more specific? Please pause the video while you match the adjectives. For some of the questions, you might need two adjectives and you can repeat them in the questions. Pause the video, please. Okay, let's go ahead and check. So the ones we are going to use with singular nouns are a or de. Okay, we are not going to use some for singular nouns, things we can count it. We have only one, just a or de. Now, which words are used with plural and uncountable nouns? We can use some and de again. So here, some, it can be either for countable things that are plural or just uncountable things like furniture. We don't know how many objects this person is talking about. And de, of course, it's very flexible. Which words are referring to something in general? We're going to use a or some. We're not being specific on anything. Like, I have a car. What car you don't know, right? It's just very general. But if I'm talking about something more specific, I should use the word de. And this is not only specific, but also something that we have mentioned previously. For example, if you see here, it says, I do have a dresser. It's very general. And the person responds, I'm interested in everything, including the dresser. Why? Because it's the one that the person mentioned previously. Okay, great, guys. Now let's go ahead and practice. Let's go to student book page 57. Here, we're going to complete the sentences with the correct article or put a dash if we don't need one. For example, what time do you have dinner? Should I use an article here? No, right? When did you last go out for special dinner? Should you use an article here? Yes, here we're going to use when was the last time you, when did you last go out for a special dinner? Very good. Pause the video to work on the rest. Okay, great. Now go to your workbook, page 21. Here you're going to fill in the blanks again with the correct article. And if you don't need one, just leave it in blank. Look at the example. I live in the south of Brazil, in a small town south of Porto Alegre. Should we use an article here? No, right? Yeah, because we don't have of. Very good. Now pause the video while you work on the rest. Okay, great. Last exercise, guys. I want you to complete these sentences I have over here with the correct article. How about grapes? What do you think I should write there? Well, because it is plural, I will use some, right? Great, guys. Pause the video while you work on the rest. Okay, guys, we're going to check this during our class. I will see you then. Bye bye.